Peace and love, African family. Peace. It's from my YouTube channel.
Oh.
I have a channel called Jam Tours Africa. You know what I mean? So I'd actually just make some vlogs, what I'm doing, share with people.
Okay.
Yeah, so family, you know, some love, some sunlight. This is Jam Tours Africa. I'm here with you. And there's a gym open up on my estate, family. I normally exercise in the morning time right there. And you know what I mean? So now a gym come. I actually sign up for the gym. So a gym is now inside the estate, family. So all who is ready to come in, I want to stay at Jam Tours place. We now have a gym, family. So for you to get fit and stay fit, you know what I mean? So I'm very excited about this journey right now. As you know, I always come and do my freestyle workout. But now I have a trainer that I can come in the morning and I can get my thing done, family. So that's a school right there, international school for like play group, young kids. That's a service apartment there, and that's the big borehole right there, family. So, you know what I mean? Let's go and get things started. It's my first day in the gym, and you know what I mean? Yeah, it's the first day in the gym, family, so you know what I mean? Let's get started and hear what the trainer has to say about me getting fit and staying fit, you know. Always doing it on my own, so you guys know that the motivation is there already. Once you can wake up every morning and go out to exercise. When you go into the gym, your mindset already set, so you know exactly what you set out to do, you know. So it's a small gym, but we have a few equipments. As you can see, these are the equipments. Dumbbells, you know what I mean? Bench press. This one is setting up this one. So, now let's start. So, introduce yourself.
My name is Juma. I'm a fitness coach. I'm from Kenya.
Yeah. All right. So what we're gonna start with now?
Yeah.
So we're gonna start with a treadmill.
Yeah, warm up for only 12 minutes.
12 minutes warm up.
Yeah.
All right. So you put your phone there.
And just start.
Start.
You ready?
Yeah. Go on.
Yeah.
So you start.
Start slowly.
Slowly.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you're going to add speed.
Add speed to how much?
Yeah, up to 4.
4.
Yeah, so that you can.
Yeah. So we're gonna warm up for 12 minutes.
Yeah.
4 minutes per second speed.
Yeah. Okay. So you just
Warm up.
For 2 minutes with the same speed.
Yeah.
And then you're going to add again.
Oh, so add how much after 2 minutes?
After 2 minutes, you're adding again up to 5 now.
5, okay.
Yeah.
So after 2 minutes, you add to 5.
Yeah.
So when it reach 4 minutes, add up to 6.
Yeah.
So I keep adding, all right.
Exactly. So you'll be adding
Progressively
like that.
Yeah, until then I start to run, right?
Yeah, then you start to run.
So I walk first.
Yeah, you walk fast, and then you feel if the speed is too high,
You start to run. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So for 12 minutes, family, you actually had 1 minute already.
Yeah, it's already on.
When we reach at 2, we'll change to 5. We're at 4 now. So I'm just walking on the treadmill. Just like how you warm up in the morning time. But this one is a little bit more professional, because now I have a trainer. I expect to actually shape up and tone up.
Exactly.
Yeah, so when I was doing it by myself, it's just to keep my body, you know, make the blood flow in the morning. You feel good. If you don't do it, you feel sluggish and sluggish. But now it's time for gym mode and to tone up mode and to fit up mode. So we're just gonna take it small until we start to actually, you know, build up the momentum. So how many subscriptions? I'm the first subscription here.
Yeah, true. This is the first one.
I have the first one, family.
Yeah,
so I'll spread the news when I see people walking. I'll tell them that we have a gym now in the community.
Exactly, just come
and they can come.
Yeah, so we are heading to up to 6 now.
Up to 6. You had 2 up to 6 family.
Yeah, so now you can feel the intensity is going
it's going up, yeah.
So you walk here for up to 4 minutes, okay?
Up to 4 minutes. So I walk for 4 minutes now.
4 minutes, the same speed.
Same speed.
Then after 7, then you start running.
Okay. All right, so walk until 4, we're at 2.
Yeah.
Then you head to 7, then you start running.
Yeah.
Doing this for 12 minutes.
Exactly.
Yeah.
You feel different.
Yeah, you feel different. Yeah, you feel the momentum now.
Exactly.
At the first day. So you live around here?
Yes.
What time you guys close?
We close at 7 now. This week we are closing at 7 p.m. And we open at 7 a.m.
Okay.
Yeah, so from when we see people starting to come, we'll adjust time.
Okay.
Yeah, we'll open early and close late.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, family. But this is very good. I was waiting for something like this because, you know what I mean? I don't really want to drive out and go to the gym. I just want to walk and come to the gym, you know? Yeah. But I am into health, so I don't know if we could organize and set up like some natural juicing for people who want to exercise and get healthy. There should be some form of education. Because people who come to the gym most likely is health conscious.
Yeah.
So they want the food to match.
Yes.
So, you know what I mean? You're not the owner of it, of the gym?
No, not the owner.
You know, it's owned by what, the community?
Yeah, it's owned by there's management.
Management?
Yeah.
Okay, maybe I'll talk to management then.
Yeah.
See what they say. But this is a great idea, and you know, want a lot of people to come and stay. I see a lot of people in the morning who walk, so I'm sure they will be interested.
Yeah, they'll be interested. Yeah.
It's just for management to tell the community about it.
Exactly.
Yeah. All right, family. So now we're at 4. We're gonna raise it to what, 7 now?
So let's go to 7.
Yeah, family. So we're actually at 9. Speed of 9 at 8 minutes.
Yeah.
So we're going for 12 minutes, family.
So we're targeting 1.5 kilometers.
1.5 kilometers. Okay.
Let's see if we'll attain it. Definitely.
Yeah, this is a normal run in the morning, family.
Yeah.
So it's not really new to me. Yeah. But we're at 9 minutes. Let's see a jump towards can make it, family. 1.5 miles. We're now at 9 minutes. And I'm sweating. I'm feeling so good. When I run like this, I don't sweat like this. But this is good. I can feel the warming up.
So now you're at 1 kilometer already?
1 kilometer.
Yeah.
Yeah, family. So 1 kilometer. Now we're at 9 minutes and like 35 seconds. I'm still going, family. So let's go. Yeah, family. So we're at 10 speed. Now we're at 10 minutes and 50 seconds. I would say we're going to 12.
Yeah.
Yeah, family. So
it's 1.2 kilometer.
1.2 kilometers.
Yeah, remaining 0.3 kilometers.
Yeah.
We reach our target.
Yeah. All right, family.
Yeah.
I am Usain Bolt on this. Yeah. So we're at 11 minutes, family. Near to the finishing line. Jam towards the sky. Let's go. I'm sweating.
Yes.
I'm feeling good. And staying healthy to stay wealthy.
Up
We're
to
gonna head up to 11.
Up to 11.
So 11.
Yeah, we have 1 minute for burning.
1 minute to go.
Yes.
Jam towards this and jam towards. 1 minute to go. 1 minute to go. And I'm sweating. 1 minute to go, fam.
Good job.
All right, family.
Let's reduce speed
Finishing
now.
line.
So we cool down.
Cool down. Cool him down.
down.
Yeah, family.
The target is already achieved.
That's, yeah.
1.5
1.5 kilometers, family.
In 12 minutes.
Yeah, family. I just want to show you guys how sweating is important. Just 12 minutes like this. When I was doing this by myself, I wasn't sweating like this, family. So if you can do this for 30 days, I'll show you the transformation. Yeah, family. So sweating, so you get rid of toxin.
Yes.
And if you can do 12 minutes on the treadmill, like how I do it the professional way, normally I just go on this and just press. But I think you do it in a professional way, you get a good workout.
Exactly.
So you do it.
Yeah. So you need to get a coach to guide you on how to do everything. Yeah, he'll guide you, he'll assess your fitness level so that when you start your fitness journey, it will be favorable to you. Not just starting abruptly, and you get injury. That's not what we want. We want you to love. We love this, eh? Yes.
All right, family. I can tell you, family, that I'm a Jamaican and I've been to other African countries, but Kenyans are very professional. They know what they're doing.
Exactly.
I never have a bad experience trying to get professional service done in Kenya. And I'm just letting you know that when you come, Jam Tours can hook you up, family. You know what I mean? So I'm just walking on the treadmill right now and cooling down, you know what I mean, to go to the next, the next thing. So I might spend how much time I might spend in the gym every morning?
We're going to spend, before I start, we're spending like 45 to 1 hour. Yeah, so at most 1 hour. But today we'll do 45 minutes.
45 minutes, okay.
Because you're starting the gym. So that you see how your body will respond. From there, from next week, I understand your body will be good because you've been running. You've been, so from next week we'll be in good shape.
All right, perfect.
How fit you are.
Okay.
So I want you to do for me a little bit of push-ups.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
So number one, let's start with push-ups.
Yeah, family. So he says gonna check how fit I am by doing push-up. So he's gonna check. So I'm excited.
So I want you to do only 15 push-ups.
15?
15, yeah.
Okay. So you want me to do 15 push-up, family. So let's go. And can you instruct me how to do it? Like, you know what I mean?
There's a different way to do it.
Yeah.
So you can do this.
That one
is for beginners.
Okay.
For you, I want you to put your legs straight.
Okay.
So when you go down, all the way up straight, okay?
All right.
Down, all the way up straight.
Yeah,
And
okay.
then breathe. Up.
Okay, when I go up, I should breathe.
Down, you hold your breath and then up.
You breathe. Okay, perfect. Oh, I never know this. So. All right, family, let's do this. You know what I mean? I'm really excited learning some new things and to get stay fit and, you know what I mean? So let's go.
Muscle strength.
Oh, muscle strength, okay.
Muscle strength and endurance. So you see your strength is good. Yeah, so what we want to do is to test our power.
Power, okay.
Yeah. Power that now you need to jump. Jump, okay?
All right.
So for power, we need to jump high.
Aye.
See how high you can jump, okay?
Okay.
Yeah. So number 3, we're testing for power.
Power, yeah. All right, family, so I finished those 20 squats. I was testing for strength. Now we're testing for power. All right, family, let's go.
Let me bring the box inside.
Okay. All right, family, as I tell you before, you know what I mean, services in Kenya is very professional, and I'm showing it to you right now. So, you know, Jam Tours have everything under cover. We have teaching how to make money, how to stay healthy, and stay wealthy. So, book with Jam Tours, you know what I mean? You can come and stay in a estate like this and go through the system, family, you know what I mean? You can reset your life. I left from Jamaica and reset it. Have my family, have things going. You can do the same. Oh, can come inside. Our family, so we're going to the other room. It's like a yoga room for the females. It's the yoga room right here. So I'm gonna test my strength.
Yeah, so how you want to power? You jump.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Yeah, so that is this. And then you go. So you're doing 3 here, you're doing 2. Right?
I'm doing 3 here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Right?
Okay, yeah. All right, family. Yeah, family. So I'm done with the 15 push-up. You know what I mean? It was good. The professional way. He's actually writing it down.
Yeah.
Okay.
So squats.
Squats.
Yeah, squats.
How many squats?
You're doing 20 squats, okay?
20 squats.
So now, when you're going to do squat, put your hands forward,
Okay.
your chest up, palm out,
And then you down.
Down, up.
Down, up.
You go down slowly, you explode down.
Up. Okay.
Down slowly, explode down. Right?
All right.
So between
Yeah.
15, no 20.
20.
So when you're going down, make sure your knees go outside. You bounce your knees.
Okay, like that. Okay, perfect.
Right?
All right. 47, here I'll start to run.
You can start now.
Run it.
Slowly.
Slowly.
Do up to 6 and then you add 8.
Then you had it. Okay. All right, family. Let's go. All right, family. This is where I jump.
7.
Oh, let me jump for them and show you.
Yeah.
Good. This is where I jump. It's not much strength, right?
Yeah, this is power.
Power.
Yeah, power.
This is power, family. Power. So we finished power, family. So
Power grand 60, 65
65. Okay.
centimeters.
So what we need next now? What we need next?
So now we're going for the cardio.
Cardio endurance, family. Now I'll be doing the cardio endurance, family. Let's do that, family.
So this one.
Jam Tour is excited about health, and you know that.
So I'm setting time.
Yeah. Okay.
Set time for only 1 minute. Huh?
Only 1 minute. Okay.
We see how many burpees you can do.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. So this is 1 minute. So burpees, it's like this. So just your left down,
Up.
and then you jump up.
Okay. Down, up, jump.
Up.
Down, up, jump.
So you're aiming at 15.
15.
Yeah, in 1 minute, okay?
Okay. All right.
So let's go.
So let's do that, family. It was my first time doing that exercise.
Yeah, that's called
But
burpees.
trust me, Baptist. And I supposed to do 15,
Yeah.
and I was able to do 13.
Yeah.
It's my first time,
Yeah.
but it's, I can feel it, family.
Yes.
So let's go to the next.
So now, the workout for today, we're going to do the squats. We're going to do flat bench press.
Flat bench,
And we're going to do deadlift, okay?
Okay.
Dumbbell deadlift.
dumbbell lift. Okay.
Those
Yeah.
three are the workout for today, okay?
Yeah.
We're going to do 12 reps, each 3 sets, okay?
Yeah.
And then you're done, okay?
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, family. Let's go.
This is squat.
Squat. Okay. Yeah.
This is machine.
Yeah.
Just
One.
down,
Okay. Up. Down.
down,
Up.
okay?
Yeah.
Now we're doing
Uh-huh.
12 reps, okay?
All right. 12. So now we're gonna do
Deadlifts.
deadlift.
We're using 10 kg dumbbells, eh?
Okay. 10 kg dumbbells.
Yeah, so you go down, that way, and then you stand up straight, okay?
Okay.
Just go down,
Down. Stand up straight.
right?
Okay. Down. Stand up straight. Yeah. All right, family. Let's go. How did 12?
Yeah, this is 10 kg dumbbell.
All right. Let's go. I'm done with my squats. 12. Bench press.
Press from your chest,
Up.
from your chest,
Just up. Chest up.
chest up, okay?
Yeah.
12 only.
12.
Yeah, 12.
All right, family. Let's go. Family, after this workout, the professional trainer is saying that I need to work on.
You need to work on your endurance, cardio endurance, and your posture.
Your posture, okay.
But you are good on muscle endurance. Your muscles are good, they have endurance, and you have power.
Okay.
So you have to improve on those two things. You'll be good.
All right.
Yeah. So that will be working for.
Okay.
Those two things will be working for, and so we'll also be perfecting on our strength. Yeah.
Perfect. So I need to do one more of this, right? One more, and I'm done, family. All right, family. Let's go. I'm feeling good. I'm telling you. All right, family. All right, that's it. So my trainer said that's good for a start. I'm done for the day. Feeling good, and I'm sure I'll be feeling very good throughout the day today. Yeah, man. Thank you so much. Really appreciate it.
You need to stretch. Then you need to stretch.
Stretch now?
Yeah, stretch.
All right, so I'm gonna do some stretch.
Some stretches.
Let's do that. Families, that was it for the day. Let's do some small stretch, and we're a good family. So like, share, and comment on this video, family, and make sure you pull up at this gym. It's in the estate. You know what I mean? Outsider can come to, right?
Yeah, they can come.
How much for the fee for outsider?
Just 5,000.
5,000.
Yeah.
Okay, so for if you're a resident, it's like 4,500 and 5,000 for outsider. One love to bless Jamaica. I'm out, family. Like, share, and comment on the video. I'm out.